Machine, I will cut you down, make you slay the gods of profane all across the stars, grind you down.
I'm not finished.
For the very fuck cry for mercy, my hands shall relic, ending you here and now.